good evening. We are live at the movie premiere of Alahun the Party. And tonight I'm here with one of our legendary actors in the industry. Good evening, Ma. How are you tonight?
I'm fine, good evening. Really? Thank you.
Tell us the brain behind this look tonight.
My Obioma.
I like that.
Thank you.
You look wonderful.
Thank
So,
you.
you are in this project.
Yes.
So how was it like being part of such a huge movie that will come out to Yoruba tradition and diversity?
I thank God, I bless God that I'm still alive today to see the movie. And the project was very fantastic. It was a very nice project. Both the director, the producer, script, everybody on the set, everybody was on their toes, they were doing what they're supposed to do. They were attending to each and every cast. So it was a very wonderful set.
So if you were to describe the movie in 3 words, what would you say?
I've not seen the movie.
But you are in the movie.
Yes, I'm in the movie, but I've not seen the movie. I will see it first before I describe it.
Okay. So that means you can't tell us what to expect from you, your character in this movie. What should we expect?
I think, you see, I will not be the judge. I can't judge myself. But I think I try. You understand? So it's this movie that I will say, Ronke, you did well in this movie. So now let's leave that to the audience to decide.
Finally, if you were to have a mystical power, what would that power be? And what would you use the power for?
I want a very good power.
Okay, tell us, please.
So that number one, I will try to change Nigeria a bit.
Okay.
Secondly, I will go to Central Bank.
You're going to the Central Bank.
Not only to I'll go and co. You don't understand. There is difference between stealing and co. I will call money. I will call everything.
Thank you so much for your time.
My name is Ronke Oshodi Oke. You people call me Ronke Oshodi Oke. Keep watching, don't check that down. Keep watching Oyinmomo TV. Kí ni mo pè o? Oyinmomo TV. Ede mama rí Oyinmomo every day. God bless you. I love you.
Hi guys, what's live at the premiere of Alahun the Party, and I'm here with one of our very talented actor in the Nollywood space. Good evening, sir. How are you tonight?
Good evening, how are you? Thanks for having me.
Alahun the Party.
Yes.
Like the major face in this
I am the lead, yes I am.
How was it like? I mean, being part of something so huge like
Where do I even start from? It felt like a very great vacation. Working with all those great actors, all those great legends from Faithia Williams, Rotimi Fakunle, Ibrahim Chatta, to be in scenes with them. And as a child growing up, I watched international cinema, but my parents never let me lose sight of home. So I always watched films from our culture. So to be able to work with people like that, I'm like, how is it possible? I was nervous, but I think I did well.
I mean, I was in the trailer, so I know you did well. So, when you were called, when you were given the script, how was it like for you to mentally prepare yourself for such role?
Look, to be honest, I almost turned it down because I saw the scale of the film. I saw how much that character needed to have, and I said, because they came to me last minute, and I'm going to need about a month to get ready for this. You can't just say 3 weeks, 2 weeks to get ready. Well, we had a conversation, and then I had to do some training. I had to learn how to weave. I went to intern to learn how to weave. I had to learn a lot of things, and then the language. Thank God for our language coaches on set. We had Tip Top and Adamanda, 2 gentlemen who helped us with the language. And then working with the great team, Dare Olaitan, the director, is a wonderful guy. Kayode Kasum is amazing to work with, so I had a great time.
What's that one experience that you've not forgotten since after the shoot?
There are many. Let me see. What's that one I can't forget? Okay, so there is a scene in the film, but I can't give it away. No spoilers. But watch out for Rotimi Fakunle. There is a scene that we did together, and that scene was improvised. The entire scene, we didn't check the script for it at all.
On the spot.
The director allowed us, and then we just went into character, and we gave a very beautiful scene, and I can't wait for the world to see it. So guys, watch out for that scene. Myself and the iconic Rotimi Fakunle, it's amazing. You will really love it.
I'm curious now, so I'm definitely going to go watch that scene. I'm very curious. Okay, Okay, so I was gonna ask, for you, if you were to have a mystical power, right?
Yeah.
What would that power be, and what would you use it for?
My mystical power. That's a nice question.
Yeah.
Well, that's deep. Oh. No, you tell me yours first.
I would.
Let me see. I think mine will be to fly, I guess.
Fly,
I love flying.
like Superman.
Yeah, I love
What would you
flying.
do with flying?
I probably see different countries and see the world from a different angle. You know,
I see what you do.
yeah. To be in the air, 40,000 feet, it's a different experience. Better air, cleaner air for sure. That's for sure. Yeah. Oyinmomo.
Yeah, so you
I love you guys. Oh my God, Oyinmomo. I love Oyinmomo. I watch it on Sundays. Oyinmomo, Esho, thank you so much for everything that you do for the culture. Thank you so much for everything. I'm a huge fan. Thank you to the crew and the presenters and the guests. You guys keep the culture going, and I thank you. Well done. God bless you. Thank you so much. Hi, my name is Moshood Fatai, and you're watching Oyinmomo TV.
My name is Amanda Ugo, and I'm an actor.
Amanda, right? Wow, okay, Igbo. Okay, so you are in this project, a Yoruba movie that talks about the culture and tradition. How was it like me playing a role?
It was very challenging, I'm not even going to lie, because yes, I can speak Yoruba, but I'm Igbo, and my Yoruba is good, but I had to do a lot of work for this role, and it was fulfilling at the end because the script supervisors and the language coaches on this project were so helpful, and they made sure that my Igbo accent did not show forth.
I understand.
Yeah.
So you enjoyed your experience on set. What was that thing that happened on set that you've not forgotten till now?
Oh my God! It was the scene. There's this particular scene that we shot at in the underworld. I don't know how to explain it, but the scene itself was so amazing. It was, I was left with good bombs, and I was in the scene. In fact, you guys, I can't wait for you to watch this film.
I'm very curious to watch that scene. Okay, right now, what would you, when you got the script, right, for this role, how did you prepare yourself mentally to fit into the script?
I had to, and one of the ways that I made sure to prepare myself was surround myself with a lot of people that speak indigenous Yoruba. You know, the Yoruba we speak normally is different from, yes, but this one we had to do like the deep Oyo Yoruba, so it was a lot. And surrounding myself with people who speak, and also speaking myself, watching movies also, watching old Yoruba movies really helped. So aside from that, we're shooting in Oyo, so it was going to be a very tedious shoot. Oh my God, I had to prepare to be in the bush for days. So yeah, but it was amazing overall.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, finally, from all your experience, right, and being in such a project that talks about culture, diversity, powers, if you were to have a mystical power, what would it be and what would you use it for?
If I had to have what?
If you were to have a mystical power, what would it be and what would you use it for?
Well, if I had one, it would be maybe the power to disappear.
Disappear.
Yes. Okay. And if I disappear, I'll probably go into one bank and go and pack all the money there.
Why are you packing our money?
Oh my God.
Why are you guys packing our money? My other guys said the same thing. Why?
My sister, money is very important power. Very, very important power.
Very, very, very. All right. Thank you so much. It was such a good time talking to you.
Hi guys, it's Ugu Amanda here. This is a shout out to Oyinmomo TV, and Alahun is going to be showing in the cinemas from the 21st of August. You don't want to miss it, so please come one, come all to watch our film, and you will be entertained. Thank you so much.
Hello, we're still live for the premiere of Alahun the Weaver, and I'm here with our very own legendary actor in the Nollywood space. Good evening, sir. How are you tonight?
I'm good, thank you.
You look good. Oh my God, you look like a simple traditional ruler.
I'm Balogun in the film, I have to represent.
I trust you. So please you are in this project, right? So tell us, how was it like being part of something as beautiful as Alahun?
It was a lot of work, a lot of hard work, and more hard work. And today is such a fantastic day to see the finished product. I'm so excited. I'm very excited to see what we have made.
When you got your scripts, how were you able to prepare yourself mentally? I mean, we know you now. You are like the magic of acting. How was it like to prepare yourself mentally for your role?
Well, you know the number ritual now. Read the script, analyze, get the backstory, talk to the director, of course, interact with your cast members, have a synergy, and that's it.
If you were to describe Alahun the Weaver in 3 words, what would that be?
Magical, cultural, and new.
That brings me to my next question. I know this movie has to do with a lot of magic and mystical powers. If you were to have a mystical power, what would it be and what would you use it for?
I like to disappear so that I can go and catch all those bandits that are kidnapping people.
Manifesting it for you. Finally, what do you have to say to the producers and the directors of this movie?
Kayode Kasum, Film Tribe, and my director Dare, thank you so much for trusting me with the character. Thank you for considering me for the project, and I look forward to amazing more projects with you. Peace. Alright guys, my name is Omowunmi Dada, and this is a big shout out to my people, my guys, Omowunmi TV. Keep watching. God bless you.
Hi guys, hello. We're still live at the premiere of Alahun the Weaver, and I'm here with this gorgeous looking young lady. Most of you have seen her on TikTok, terrorizing you people there. Please tell us your name and what you do.
My name is Fisayo and I'm a content creator.
Okay. Hi Fisayo, how are you tonight?
Fine, I'm
I
good.
love what you're wearing. It's giving Arasta. It's giving I'm a Barbie. Okay. How do you put this together?
I mean, I just thought about, they said the theme was traditional kind of thing, so I just wanted to do bits of contemporary and traditional, so I just had a blazer gown and get it, that's all.
You deliver. What is what?
8.
Are you egg? Okay. So, did you seriously love the movie?
Not yet.
Not yet, that's fine. So, well, let me just give you a hint. So, the movie is about mystical powers, about royal culture, Yoruba culture and traditions, right? And I know you're a Yoruba woman.
Yes, I am.
For you, what's the one that makes you so prideful as a Yoruba woman?
The language itself. Yeah.
Why? What's that thing about the language that gives you pride?
I mean, Yoruba language is sweet. There's some words you want to say and it just eats well when you use the language to say.
Okay. Okay, I see what you did there. Finally, if you were to have a mystical power, what would it be? And what would you use the power for?
The power. Okay, I have to be able to use the power.
Yes. What would the power be and what would you use it for?
Probably power to be able to read minds.
Minds.
Yeah. So
Okay, you want to know things that
yeah, I just want to see.
Is it nice to know that?
I mean, it can be
It's a lot.
a lot, but I mean, at the same time, I just want to know what people actually really think. Yeah.
When you have that kind of power, what would you use it for?
I mean, to tell people what people think about them for real.
Okay. All right. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now you guys are finished. She wants to read you guys' minds, so be very careful. Be very, very careful.
Yeah. So my name is Fisayo, and you guys should always stream Imamo.
Hey guys, what's the life at the premiere of Alahun the Weaver? And I'm here with this gentle-looking young man. How are you tonight, sir?
I'm fine.
Fine.
Thank you very much.
Please tell us your name and what you do, sir.
Yeah, my name is Stephen Okonkwo. I'm a screenwriter.
Mr. Steven, Betty told us that you are one of the writers of this movie, or the major writer of the movie, right? One of the writers, okay. How was it like, writing such a beautiful story like Alahun the Weaver?
How did?
I said, what was it like writing such a beautiful story like Alahun the Weaver?
It was a wonderful experience. I did this with the director, Dare Olaitan, and it was fun putting this together. We had plenty of time, organizing the story. We had a script conference. We had a story conference where we had different people come in, had a conversation about it, and then we sat down and then did a draft and we did a draft and all of that stuff, and then went up with this story, which I hope you all love, and we did something very wonderful.
You have a lineup of amazing characters in cast, and so of course we know you guys will deliver.
Yeah, we. So it was fun. been on the set for days. Although I'm the writer, but I like to go to set to see the film story. And it was fun seeing these characters come to life through these actors, through these amazing actors we had. So I'm looking forward to it myself, seeing this and then see how it comes together. Yeah.
For you, as being one of the writers of this movie for you, did you think that they were able to project those characters that were written as authentic as you wanted it to be?
Yes, they did. Like I said earlier, we had wonderful actors on these. So we had a line of very good and dynamic, actors on these, and on watching them on set bring these characters to life was really an amazing experience.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, finally, for you, what was that thing on set that happened that you've not forgotten?
Oh, so we shot this in Oyo. I think what happened on set mostly for me was just the experience of being outside Lagos, making this outside Lagos.
In Oyo State.
Yeah, in Oyo State. We shot it at Ibrahim Chatta's Film Village. So the experience for me was having that, fun, that outdoorsy fun. Yeah.
Lagos life.
I saw the whole Lagos vibes, and then the horse riding, the forest, and all of that stuff. So it was fun. It was fun doing that.
Which brings me to my next question. I know that this movie has to do with a lot of your tradition, culture, powers. So for you, if you had to have a mystical power, what would it be and what would you use it for?
Time travel, basically.
What?
Time travel.
Okay.
If I have any power, time travel will be my go-to power.
Why?
Simply for the simple reason of being able to go back and fix one or two things I would like fixing.
That's deep.
Okay. Just for the simple reason of being able to rig the game, so to speak, and then rig life, so to speak.
All right, you guys have heard him. Thank you so much. We can't wait to see the magic that you people have put together. Thank you for your brain behind the story, right?
Okay. Hi guys. My name is Stephen Okonkwo. You're watching Oyimomo TV.
Hi guys, we're still live at the premiere of Alahun the River, and I'm here with the handsome Mr. Dare, the writer, producer, and director of this movie. How are you tonight, sir?
We thank God. We're looking forward to having a great night where people can see the magic that we created.
Speaking of the magic that you created, how was it like directing such a project as Alahun the River?
It was a great experience. It was working with people that I had seen on TV since I've been young. And finally having a chance to work with them was an amazing experience.
You enjoyed working with our legendary actor?
We worked in Abeokuta, we were on set in Mr. Ibrahim Chatta's Film Village.
Okay.
So it was a wonderful, wonderful experience.
So were the actors able to deliver as expected the roles that you...
One finish work.
Of course, I trust them. So what should we be looking forward to watching Alahun the River? What are the things that we should expect from this movie?
Excitement, adventure, love, and quality.
I like the way you said that, quality. You guys are not ready. So I know this movie has talked about tradition, Yoruba culture, and all that, and powers. So it brings me to this question. If you were to have a mystical power, what would it be and what would you use it for?
I'll be able to go back in the past. So I'll be able to make money.
Really?
I go know all these things.
Wait, you want to know what you know now, but go back to the past?
I'll praise money.
See what you did there. Nice. Thank you so much. We can't wait to see the magic you've created.
Hello, this is Dare Olaitan, and keep watching Oyimomo TV.
Hi guys, we're still live at the premiere of Alahun the River, and I'm here with our very own talented actor. How are you tonight, sir?
Very well, thank you. You?
And you look well. I love what you're wearing. What's the brain behind your look tonight?
There's really nothing crazy behind it. It's just a regular kaftan. Nothing crazy. Yeah.
Simple, easy, classy.
Yeah.
Okay. Please tell us your name and what you do, sir.
My name is Ibrahim Chatta. I'm an actor, filmmaker.
Okay. As an actor, being here witnessing the project Alahun the River, what are your expectations tonight?
I can't categorically say this is what I'm going to see when I watch it, but if there's anything I'm obviously guaranteed of, it's the fact that there's going to be amazing performances from the actors, because this project has a couple of people that I do love and admire their work, amazing actors that I think know their onions. So if I'm not guaranteed of anything at all, I'm guaranteed of great performances from the actors.
All right, you guys have heard it from him. So you've seen the trailer. What's that one character you're looking forward to see what they are about to do?
A couple of them.
Okay.
I would say essentially Moshood's character.
Okay.
His character, yeah.
That's like the main role, the main character.
Yeah.
Want to see?
Yeah, I want to see Moshood. Because I love Moshood. Everybody knows I love Moshood. So, yeah.
All right. So, this movie talks about the Yoruba tradition, powers, So, it brings me to this question. If you were to have a mystical power, what would it be and what would you use it for?
A mystical power. I would say to read minds, but then you can run mad from that.
I was going to say that. You don't want that.
Yeah, so maybe the power to like appear and disappear whenever I want. So like right now, I'm probably tired of talking to now. Just
oh my God, I feel bad.
I'm just saying.
Don't worry, it's okay. So you want the power to disappear. A lot of people say they want the power to disappear and appear, but they want it to go to bank.
Well,
you don't want to go to the bank.
I won't reveal my secrets.
All right, so what should we be expecting from you moving forward,
I'm working on a couple projects. All things being equal, they should be out pretty soon. So yeah, that.
Thank you very much.
Hi guys, my name is Ibrahim Chatta. I'm an actor, filmmaker. Big shout out to Omowunmi TV.
Hello guys, we're still live at the premiere of Alahun the River, and I'm here with our very own talented actor. How are you tonight?
I'm fine, I'm great, I'm amazing. I love it. Thank you very much, I really appreciate it.
Just tell us your name and what you do, sir.
My name is Omowunmi. I'm an actor, and I've actually been in the industry for just a little while,
That's not true. That's not true. All right, so sir, you are in this project.
Yes, I'm in this project. My character's name is Bogunjobi, young Bogunjobi. So it comes alive in just a little flashback. It's not like maybe I was right in depth in the project like other people. Yeah, but it was really amazing working on this project.
How was it like the experience, even for that short period of time?
Yeah, well, this is the one and the first project that we ever ride a horse. We were trained for like a day to ride a horse, and then it was more or less like a war scene. So it was beautiful because we shot the whole war scene in a day, in a full day, and it was really aesthetically pleasing to the project. We had warriors, we had other people, there were other actors like Kunle Remi that were also in the scene, and it was beautiful. It was amazing.
So what should we be expecting from Alahun the River?
Well, like the director said, he said this is different from the norm. This is something that is special. We've not seen this kind of thing before, and from the title, The Weaver, you should also expect that it's going to be grandeur, it's going to be gracious, and it's going to be much more educative to our audience.
Very true. Which brings me to my next question. I know this movie talks about a lot of culture, tradition, powers, war. For you, I'm going to ask, if you were to have a mystical power, what would it be and what would you use it for?
Well, I would love to have the power of Shango, the god of lightning, like it was adapted in the English culture, Thor Odin's saying. And you see, sometimes I feel being a deity, having a mystical power, I believe is more of strength, show of strength to command respect and also change the things around you. Yeah, you can be very distinctive between good and evil. Yeah, so for someone who has the power of lightning and thunder, you should be able to eradicate evil in your space.
As far as you're not doing bad, he will not strike you.
I did not say issue. The corny character.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Omowunmi, and this is a big shout out to AK Media, and I would love you to come and watch Omowunmi TV and also come to the cinemas to watch Alahun the Weaver. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
Hi guys, we're still live at the premiere of Alahun the River, and I'm here with the very talented Rotimi Salami. Good evening, sir. How are you tonight?
Hi, good evening.
Good. Like the typical Yoruba elder, kind of. Not like a king, but like all those kingmakers. Was that the brain behind the look tonight?
Omoluabi.
All right, so we are live at the premiere of Alahun the River. Are you part of this project, sir?
No, I'm not. I'm just here to support.
Okay, so you've seen the trailer of the movie. So what are your expectations tonight?
To be honest, I mean the director and the producer, they are not new to us in Nollywood per se, not like So we've seen their works before. You've seen Kayode Kasum more as a director, even more than a producer. So definitely he knows his audience. A set of actors, on the project are awesome. And of course, seeing the trailer alone, I love the picture, love the sound, and of course the storyline. I can't wait to see what's behind that storyline. Yeah.
So, this movie talks about a lot of power, war, culture, tradition, most especially power. So, I'm going to ask you this. If you were to have a mystical power, what would it be and what would you use it for?
If I was to have a mystical power, I just want a power that can control people's mind and ability.
Jesus Christ! I'm scared. Why?
I want power that can control people's mind and ability because there is too much of evil. You understand? Like there are a lot of evil mindsets within people or amongst people, and of course we are all prone to have the good and the bad mind. Depends on the one that you choose at the end of the day. But a lot of people, because of selfish interests, they choose the evil one. So if I have a mystical power to control people's mind and ability, I'll just make everybody do good. Yeah. Actually.
All right.
Hello guys, my name is Rotimi Salami. Keep watching Oyimomo TV.
So, in 3, 2, 1, can the cast and go, the hands and take a bow? Actually, one of you.
So, in 3, 2, 1, go.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching our film. This has been a labor of love, and I want to thank everybody, all the people that have been here through the long journey to get this here. And I want to thank you guys so much for taking this time on a Tuesday at this late to wait till the end. And I hope it was worth the time.
Oh, absolutely.
Please let people know that this film exists. And it's okay. It is great. So they can come and watch it. Please, thank you so much. Please, I'm going to let other people from the cast talk.
Thank you
for, like you said, like Dare said, it's a labor of love. You've been writing this film for a very long time. And so many times we almost gave up on the script, but it did not happen. It's a story, it's a really, really interesting story that kind of talks about one's strength, like where can you find one's strength in? And Dare and these wonderful actors they put their hearts into it, and they made a really beautiful film. Please, everybody, I'm just going to start calling on some of the actors and let's just appreciate their greatness. First off, I'm going to call Omowunmi Dada. It took a long time to actually find who we're going to cast as Alahun. And one thing Moshood was like said before I come to set, let me learn how to weave a basket.
Wow.
And it took a week learning how to weave. Method actor. I think you really did a great job. Thank you, Moshood. I don't know if there's anything you want to say.
Wow. Thank you so much. Good evening, everybody.
Hello.
Thank you so much for coming out. I want to just, first of all, thank the producer and the director. It's a blessing to be able to act in this genre. As a child growing up watching world cinema, my parents didn't let me lose touch of theater from home. So the films of Aisho Pepe, Yeki Nadile, Tunde Kelani, and a lot of these great actors filmmakers I watched growing up, I respect. Adi Love, for example, I love their work, and I used to always wonder, I wish I could be in a film like that. But as a Lagos kid who doesn't really speak Yoruba, like, maybe it's never happened. And then when I got this chance, I was scared. Thanks to my team and some stubbornness, I decided to jump on it, and I do not regret it. Watching the film now, I'm just grateful to the crew, Tutu, AD, thank you. Tokwe, Aramanda, the language coaches on this, they helped all of us out. It was an honor to work with the legends of Yoruba film, Ibrahim Chatta, Faithia Williams, all of these people that I watched growing up, and now I'm in a scene with them, and I go, how am I even worthy to be on set with these people? And they were so gracious and so kind and so helpful, and I'm so grateful. And to those who you might consider to be my peers, to work with them was a delight. To see them bring their, I'm in awe of your talent. Amanda is Igbo. Amanda is an Igbo woman, and see what she did. Kayode, well done. The beast called Imotunde. Imotunde has a presence that you can't deny. His confidence, his sexiness, the way he beautiful. I'm not going to forget the great Ronke Oshodi Oke. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. On set, she will teach you and diss you and still teach you and make fun of you. But I mean, sometimes your teachers are tough, and that's life. So thank you so much, man, for your love and your support. Thank you so much. God bless you. Oh, definitely to work with Omowunmi Dada, to see how work. What can I even say? Baby sis, what can I say? always feeling me in character. What do you feel like? The entire crew, the lighting crew, the costume, the makeup, what am I missing?
Cinematography.
I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that. Where's Emmanuel?
He's here.
The DP. The cinematographer. It's for any actor in this building to be able to work through his lens is a blessing. He shoots beautifully. There are times when I'll just go, Ima, what am I doing? This, and he gets me, and then I give him what he wants, and then he just creates magic. I am in awe of your talent. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much. I mean, who else do I have to thank?
I just wanted to quickly say a big thank you to Mr. Ibrahim Chatta.
On his location.
We were able to please bring him onto the set as the gracious king.
Oh yeah.
It was helpful.
And not to forget my father. I'm going to tell you a story. That last thing you just saw wasn't on script.
Wow.
No way.
It was complete improv.
Wow.
Yes, I'd seen the script and I said, I don't think this script is where we need it to be. I went to meet the director, sir, and I said, with your permission, could we tweak a couple of things? And he said, yeah, go ahead. Then I went to meet my senior colleague, Olaruti Papoli, and I said, sir, if you'll be so kind, can we take a look at this script and see what we can do to it? And then he said, okay, let's. And then he said, you know what? But yeah, body bed.
Wow.
What you saw there wasn't gimmicky. It came from somewhere inside him.
Yeah.
And I'm it took him an hour to come out of that character. Where you went, I don't know, but for it, I am grateful. We are all grateful. Thank you. I am grateful to know you, to work you, and I can't wait to work with you again. Thank you so much, everybody. I'm so grateful. Thank
Would you like to say something?
Good evening, everyone. First, thank you so much for honoring our invitation to be here. We hope you absolutely love this beautiful film.
We did.
I'm not sure.
Please, did you love this film?
We
did. Can you give this cast and crew a fantastic round of Now, it's not enough that you love this film. You have to talk about it.
Yes.
Please tweet about it. The pictures that some of you took, please post it. Tell everyone to go and see Alahun. Take your friends, take your neighbors, mommies and daddies, everyone. There are too many lessons to learn from this film, right? Yeah. Thank you so much. So we're coming to the cinemas on the 21st of August. This Friday. Adrian, down. Mommy and daddies, uncles and abus. Please tell everyone to go and watch Alahun at the cinemas. And I want to say thank you to the producer and our director and everyone. It was such a fantastic time working on this project, being on set. We had such great fun, and it was tough. No, nothing good comes easy, but it was worth it at the end of the day, right? Yeah, it was. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you.
Auntie Ronke.
Good evening, everyone.
Bro. Excuse me, sir.
I've been working with Kayode for a while now. I think this is the fourth project that I'll be doing with him. So Kayode, I'm saying this now. Thank you so very much. Yoruba will say, "Ẹni tó ń fi oúnjẹ sókè, ẹni tó ẹ má bínú." Ẹni tó ń fún yàn lóúnjẹ, àkànṣe ló ń ṣe. Ẹ má bínú mi, mọ́mọ́ yóò sì tó wáyé. Thank you, Kayode. Thank you so very much. Please help me appreciate. And when they told me about this movie, and they told me that this guy is going to direct it, I was like, are you sure? I said, don't worry, he will direct it. Hey. When I got on set, why are you doing? I complained because the things I'm seeing on set, I was like, this thing is not like this, so this is how we do it, though. At some point, I have to keep quiet because my complaint is, I think, is becoming too much. Well, I mean, it's becoming too much. You understand? Yeah, I meant it because I've never seen you understand? Because when we are all these our own traditional films, you understand? You understand? So I complained. I went to this my uncle. I was complaining. He was saying, "Madam, calm down, calm down." So when I came here today, and they told me to say something about Alahun, I don't know. And it's true. I don't know. Let me come here and see the film first. But when I'm going out, I will say one or two about it. You understand what? Say this film now. This is a beautiful masterpiece. This is beautiful. This is awesome. And let me shock you guys, including the producer, the director, the scriptwriter, everybody on that set, all the crew on that set are Gen Z. They are Gen Z. You understand? Gen Z millennium. Gen Z millennium. You see now seeing this film, sitting down there, watching it, laughing because I've seen some theater films that I will watch it in Marco Shejade. Or for me to sit down and watch the film, Timo Wotokakota, please let's give it. Yes. Will not put money in the producer's account. You know, this film smell well. Don't let sugarcoat it. So please, let's talk about this Alahun. So that Kayode will come here again. And again and again. Please, let's spread the gospel. Let's talk about it. This film is interesting. I beg you in God's name. Owó tá ná sí fíìmù yóò ṣe kékeré o. Owó tá ná sí fíìmù yóò ṣe kékeré o. Gbogbo producer fíìmù yìí ẹ ní jẹ gbèsè o. Lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ tún máa ṣe mí. Ẹ tún máa ṣe mí. Ẹ tún máa ṣe mí. Àwa náà á tún ṣe tiwa lágbára Ọlọ́run. Bọ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa spread the gospel. Tell people about the film. Tell them that the film is very interesting. And I know if you keep telling one or two people, another people will tell another people. Friend will tell a friend. Will tell a friend. Lágbára Ọlọ́run, àtà o. God bless you. Thank you very
much. See, I need to say something because when the first time we went to his film village to say, sir, we want to film in this place. Hey, what? What's the problem? Kill a need. Need it. And then when we wrapped on set, he gave the whole set to me.
Good evening, everyone. You have to pardon me if my English is not that First, I'd like to say thank you very much for honoring our invitation to come see this beautiful film tonight, Alahun.
You're welcome.
Okay, so like Ronke said the other time, when we were on that set, I think this is a Yoruba story told differently.
Yes.
So when we were filming, you know, the set was at my place, so I saw some things too, and I was thinking, this might do it. So mine did not get to the point that Ronke, as Ronke did. But I called Dre, and he said, no, he was trying to make like a fantasy. In the palace. Yeah. But this is a Yoruba story. But I want to say, this story is beautifully told. Please, tell your friend to tell their friends about this film. Just come help us watch this film so that it can make. Okay, this film has a lot of money into it. Yes. Yes. I know what I charge for this. So, and you can see a lot of things were put together to make this film. Please, you just do us a favor, you do us good by spreading the gospel, telling people about it, so that you can recuperate this money. Thank you very much.
No, can we live here if Balogun does not say so? No!
You cannot!
All right, good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Balogun. Okay. Thank you. And I do not mince my words when I say thank you. Kay is one of the very few people who has always trusted me. And by God's grace, I know the shame. Amen. And I want to thank the director. Sometimes when you, I think I'm in a place of peace with my life, that I am not bothered about who is calling the shot. Because you know, you get to some point where you worry you. But when you look at the people around you, you just tell yourself that, nah, this can't fail. And that was the vibe I got on this set. So great, thank you. Tutu, we're in here. But thank you.
A great one.
Thank you. I want to beg you, anyone you watch here, please help us spread the word. This is an amazing film. And I dare to say that in my career, I've done a lot of Yoruba films. This stands as #1 for me right now. I'm not mincing my words. I sit down and watch her. At some point I look, see, and they even laugh. But I don't understand it. The beauty of this film, Emmanuel,
Yo, he's the king.
Emmanuel. What? Auntie Ronke, thank you. My sister, Omowunmi Dada. I cannot mention all the names here, but you guys, you are beasts. And my son. So when they told me we were going to play my daughter, when they told me that Moshood was playing Adeboye, I just said, you know what, let's go and sleep. Because I know that there's something that this chemistry between us brings out. I don't know where it comes from, but it is very, very rare that every time I step into a space with this young man, it is just something else. I want to say thank you for trusting me. Thank you. No, I need to say it because I don't think you've gotten enough flowers. But you are one of the most dedicated and talented actors I have ever met. What you pushes me to do at Berlin Boy. Because you cannot drop the ball. You cannot do that. So Moshood, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I swear to God, we'll do this again and again and again. So thank you, Peter
Thank you all so much for coming out. We'll do one more something. We want to just do a selfie and everybody says, go watch Alahun. It's okay. Are we ready? Yes.